Yeah, it's kind of scary when it does that.
Yeah.
...2011 furnace.
Well, and before that, I mean, we weren't getting anything. It was just cold air blowing.
Yeah.
You could tell that the pilot light wasn't even trying to light, nothing, so.
Just sounds really funny when it starts up too. Fan's gonna come on. That's real strange. Well, let me get into this a little farther to see what's going on. I just want to... It's really strange. I don't run across too many of these that do this. Let's put it that way.
Okay. I'm just gonna step outside and have a cigarette.
Sure, you do what you got to do.
Well, I don't know if this matters, but my husband was smelling gas in here yesterday. That's why he had turned that pipe off, because he's like, it shouldn't have gas, but
yeah.
No.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that means anything. But it was pretty strong back here. I know our hot water tank sometimes will leak gas, but...
Dude, I don't see any. I don't see any cracks or fractures. You expect it to be cracked wide open. Unless I can't see it, it's on the back side. I don't see any water leaking. That's strange. Let me get a camera and look at the back side of those bonds. Ouch. Just can't see anything. Oh yeah, there it is. Right. Oh, it's wide open. Yeah, it's wide open.
What is that?
I couldn't that right there. That's the heat exchanger.
Okay.
It looks like, let's see, there's like a hole blown right through it.
Oh.
Right there, there's a big old hole. I couldn't see it from just looking up here. I could not see it until I got the camera in there. So, wow.
That doesn't.
How many square feet is this house?
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe it's probably 800-900.
Yeah, I mean it's not very big. We got two very small bedrooms.
Well, this one was for the landlord we do a lot of work for. Actually, it was right down the street from my other call. I mean, on the same street. A few duplexes down. These houses are basically probably around 800 square feet. Had a 70,000 BTU 2-stage in there. Would have been all right if they just locked it in the first stage.
After 600
I don't know.
Turn left, Westwater Street.
I haven't ran across too many of those Goodman heat exchangers, those tubular heat exchangers, faulty. Only time I run into faulty heat exchangers on those, or cracked or burned through heat exchangers, is on propane. So I was really kind of surprised, and I think it was just furnace was not tuned proper. Manifold pressure is probably off. But I don't know. I don't know what the customer's going to want to do. I don't know if he's going to want to replace that heat exchanger or replace the furnace. But you seen the rollout on that thing. That was pretty dangerous. And the crack, or the hole that was in that heat exchanger was pretty darn big. I probably could have stuck my camera head through it. It was pretty large. And that was right on the center cell. So I was kind of shocked at that one. I was like, I gotta find the crack. I couldn't find, just by taking that AC door off, I couldn't see anything. I mean, the heat exchanger looked discolored, like it's been running hot, but just by looking at the top of it without getting the camera out, I couldn't see it. But as soon as I got the camera out, looked at the back of those bends, yeah, it was burned right through. So we are off to the next one. It is Monday, the 16th, and it's going to be a late day up here in Michigan. Had a lot of winds, a lot of power outages Sunday night, and so along with power outages comes power surges. I already had a boiler, a triangle tube boiler earlier today. Had a power surge, knocked the inducer, knocked the Veto motor out. Had voltage to the Veto motor, but no spinny. So we had to overnight that, get that customer up and running. But typical Monday when it gets cold. But I just took you along for that one, and just goes to show you, you got to make sure and check those heat exchangers. See you on the next one.